She hit rock bottom in silence. No cries for help, no dramatic goodbye, no public breakdown. She still replied, "I'm fine." She still showed up. She still smiled. She still posted normal pictures. Then she went home and felt nothing. Empty, heavy, numbeck. People thought she was okay. They had no idea she was falling apart. Until one day, she disappeared. Not forever, just long enough to rebuild. And when she came back, no one saw it coming. You will hear 3 turning points, 3 moments that changed her direction. I will also break down the psychology, why people suffer quietly, why strong people often break privately, and how real recovery looks when nobody is watching. At the end, you will get a simple comeback plan, a 90-day reset built for silent fighters. If you feel tired in a way you can't explain, stay with me. And if you feel unsafe or overwhelmed, please reach out to someone you trust or a professional. You deserve support. Now let's begin. Chapter 1. The smile that hid everything. Turning point number 1. Her name was Maya. Maya was the strong one, the one who handled things, the one who helped others, the one who never caused problems. She was the friend people called at 2 a.m. She was the coworker who covered shifts. She was the daughter who said, "Don't worry about me." And for years, that identity looked like success. But strength has a shadow, because when you always act strong, you stop asking for help. Maya was 27 when things started slipping. Not in a dramatic way. In small ways, she stopped enjoying music. She stopped laughing from the stomach. She started feeling tired even after sleep. Her mind felt like it had a constant weight on it. She still went to work. She still did her tasks. But inside, she was fading. Then life added pressure. Her relationship ended. Not with a huge fight. With silence. Messages got shorter. Plans stopped happening. Love turned into polite distance. One day, her partner said, "I think we're not right anymore." Maya nodded like she understood. She didn't beg. She didn't argue. She just said okay. Then she went to the bathroom and cried without making a sound. After the breakup, she kept functioning. She went to brunch. She replied to texts. She posted a selfie with a caption like, "Grateful." But at night, she lay in bed staring at the ceiling. She wasn't thinking about the breakup. She was thinking about herself. What is wrong with me? She started skipping meals. Then she started overeating. Then she started sleeping late. Then she started waking up anxious. Her body was present. Her soul felt absent. Then came turning point 1. It happened at work. A coworker gave her a simple compliment. "You're always so calm. I wish I was like you." Maya smiled. But inside, she felt something twist. Because she wasn't calm. She was numb. That day, she walked into the restroom and looked at herself in the mirror. Her eyes looked tired. Her skin looked dull. Her shoulders looked heavy. And for a moment, she didn't recognize the person staring back. She whispered, "I'm disappearing." She didn't say it with drama. She said it like a fact. And the scariest part was this.
Nobody noticed.
Because she was too good at hiding it. Chapter 2. Rock bottom was quiet. Turning point number 2. After that day, Maya tried to fix herself fast. She downloaded a routine app. She watched motivation videos. She tried to glow up overnight. For a week, she woke up early. For a week, she drank green juice. For a week, she journaled. Then she crashed again. Because quick fixes don't heal deep pain. Maya wasn't lazy. She was overloaded. She was carrying years of pressure. Pressure to be perfect. Pressure to be liked. Pressure to never disappoint anyone. And that pressure turned into exhaustion. Then rock bottom came. Not in public, in her apartment. One weekend, she didn't leave her bed. She didn't shower. She didn't answer messages. She didn't eat real food. She just scrolled. Not because she enjoyed it, because her brain wanted escape. At night, she got a call from her mother. "Maya, are you okay?" Maya said yes. Then she ended the call and stared at the wall. And suddenly, she started shaking. Not like panic in movies. Like quiet trembling. Her chest felt tight. Her breath got short. She thought, "I can't do this anymore." She didn't want to die. She just didn't want to keep living like this. So she did one brave thing. She called a helpline number she found online. Her voice was small. She said, "I don't know what's happening to me." The person on the line didn't judge her. They didn't rush her. They just listened. For the first time in a long time, Maya told the truth. "I'm tired. I'm scared. I feel empty. I'm pretending." That was turning point number 2. Not the call itself, the truth. Because truth breaks the spell of silence. After that night, Maya didn't suddenly become happy, but she became honest. And honesty is the first step of redemption. The next day, she did something simple. She wrote a list called What I've Been Hiding. She wrote, I'm lonely. I'm burnt out. I don't feel safe in my own mind. I use my phone to escape. I say yes when I want to say no. I don't rest. I collapse. She looked at the list and cried, not because she was weak, because she finally stopped pretending. Chapter 3, The Comeback Nobody Saw. Turning point number 3. Maya made a decision. Not a dramatic decision. A quiet one. She decided to disappear for 90 days. Not from life, from noise. She told close people, I'm focusing on myself. She didn't explain more than that. Then she built a simple plan called the Silent Comeback. 3 rules. 1 hour daily for healing. 2. 1 daily boundary. 3. 1 daily proof of progress. Healing hour meant walking, therapy, homework, journaling, reading, meditation, workout. Not all of them. Just 1. Boundary meant saying no once, turning off notifications, leaving a conversation early, not answering right away. Proof of progress meant a checklist, a calendar, X, a short note, I did it. Small proof, every day. Maya also did a hard thing. She cleaned her environment. She removed junk food. She deleted the apps that kept her numb. She moved her phone charger away from her bed. She didn't try to become a new person. She tried to create a new environment. Week 1 felt awful. Her brain begged for comfort. Just scroll, just order food, just stay in bed. Maya didn't fight her brain with emotion. She followed the rules. 1 hour, 1 boundary, 1 proof. Week 2 felt less heavy. Week 3 felt stable. Then something happened. Her sleep improved. Not perfect. Better. Her appetite became normal again. Her eyes looked brighter. And the biggest change was inside. She started trusting herself because she kept promises. That's how confidence is built. Not by hype, by evidence. One day, her friend saw her and said, You look different. What happened? Maya smiled and said, I started choosing myself. That was turning point 3. Not the glow, the identity, because Maya stopped living to be acceptable. She started living to be healthy. And that is why nobody saw the comeback coming. Because she rebuilt in silence. Why silent suffering is so common? Maya suffered quietly for 3 reasons. 1. She was addicted to being strong. Being strong became her identity. So admitting pain felt like failure. 2. She feared being a burden. She thought if I speak up, I'll annoy people. So she kept it inside. And it got heavier. 3. She used avoidance as medicines. Scrolling, sleeping, overeating, these are not character flaws. They are coping tools. But coping tools become cages if you never heal. The Silent Comeback Plan. Start today. If you feel like Maya, try this. Step 1. Tell the truth to paper. Write, what am I pretending about? What am I avoiding? What do I need but never ask for? No filters. Step 2. Pick your 90-day focus. Choose one focus. Mental clarity, physical health, career stability, confident, healing after heartbreak. One focus. Step 3. Create 3 daily rules. Here's the template. 1 hour for healing or growth. 2. 1 boundary. 3. 1 proof of progress. Step 4. Remove 1 trigger. 1 trigger only. Phone in bed. Late night scrolling. Toxic contact. Sugar every night. Remove 1. Step 5. Ask for support once. 1 conversation. 1 therapist session. 1 trusted friend. 1 support group. Silence feels safe, but support heals faster. Step 6. Track your days. Mark an X on a calendar. Small wins build self-respect. Step 7. 1 action today. Today, do this. Write your 3 rules. Then take a 10-minute walk. That's it. Start small. Start now. Maya hit rock bottom in silence. And that silence almost swallowed her. But she did one brave thing. She told the truth. Then she built a quiet system. And slowly she returned to herself. If you feel like nobody sees your struggle, remember, you don't need people to see you to heal. You need you to stop abandoning yourself. You don't have to announce your comeback. Just build it in silence, day by day. Say this out loud. I'm healing, even if nobody claps. And take 1 small step today. If this story helped you, subscribe. This channel shares silent comeback stories with real steps, healing, discipline, and transformation. And comment 1 phrase below, silent comeback. So you commit to rebuilding, starting today.